theorem. Similar triangles. Let's recall. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, angle C is congruent to angle F, and AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, then triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. Is expressed as triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Tests of similarity of triangles. Let's learn. For similarity of two triangles, the necessary conditions are that their corresponding sides are in same proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. Out of these conditions means, for similarity of two triangles, only 3 specific conditions are sufficient. Similarity of two triangles can be confirmed by testing these 3 conditions. The groups of such sufficient conditions are called tests of similarity, which we shall use. AAA test for similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in the correspondence, ABC corresponds to PQR if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Then, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. For more information, proof of AAA test. Given. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. To prove, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Proof. Let us assume that triangle ABC is bigger than triangle PQR. Mark point M on AB and point N on AC such that AM is equal to PQ and AN is equal to PR. Show that triangle AMN is congruent to triangle PQR. Hence, show that MN is parallel to BC. Now, using the basic proportionality theorem, AM upon MB is equal to AN upon NC. That is, MB upon AM is equal to NC upon AN. By invertendo, MB plus AM upon AM is equal to NC plus AN upon AN. By componendo, therefore, AB upon AM is equal to AC upon AN. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. Similarly, it can be shown that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, which is equal to AC upon PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AA test for similarity of triangles. We know that for a given correspondence of vertices, when two angles of a triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then the remaining angle of the first triangle is congruent to the remaining angle of the second triangle. This means when two angles of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then this condition is sufficient for similarity of two triangles. This condition is called AA test of similarity. Now, let's see one more test. SAS test of similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding sides are in the same proportion and the angles between them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. For example, if in triangle KLM and triangle RST, angle KLM is congruent to angle RST, KL upon RS is equal to LM upon ST, which is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, triangle KLM is similar to triangle RST. SSS test for similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, when three sides of a triangle are in proportion to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. For example, if in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, if PQ upon YZ is equal to QR upon XY is equal to PR upon XZ, then triangle PQR is similar to triangle ZYX. Properties of similar triangles. 1. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. Reflexivity. 2. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Symmetry. 3. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI. Transitivity. Now friends, let's see some solved examples. Example 1. In triangle XYZ, angle Y is equal to 100 degrees, angle Z is equal to 30 degrees. In triangle LMN, angle M is equal to 100 degrees, angle N is equal to 30 degrees. Are triangle XYZ and triangle LMN similar? If yes, by which test? Solution. In triangle XYZ and triangle LMN, angle Y is equal to 100 degrees, angle M is equal to 100 degrees. Therefore, angle Y is congruent to angle M. Angle Z is equal to 30 degrees. Angle N is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, angle Z is congruent to angle N. Hence, triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN by AA test. Example 2. Are the two triangles in figure similar according to the information given? If yes, by which test? Solution. In triangle PMN and triangle UVW, PM upon UV is equal to 6 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 1. MN upon VW is equal to 10 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 1. Therefore, PM upon UV is equal to MN upon VW. And angle M is congruent to angle V, given. Therefore, triangle PMN is similar to triangle UVW by SAS test of similarity. Example 3. Can we say that the two triangles in figure are similar according to the information given? If yes, by which test? Solution. In triangle XYZ and triangle MNP, XY upon MN is equal to 14 upon 21 is equal to 2 upon 3. YZ upon NP is equal to 20 upon 30 is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, XY upon MN is equal to YZ upon NP. It is given that angle Z is congruent to angle P. But angle Z and angle P are not included angles by sides which are in proportion. Hence, triangle XYZ and triangle MNP cannot be said to be similar. Example 4. In the adjoining figure, BP is perpendicular to AC, CQ is perpendicular to AB. Points A, P, C and AQB are collinear. Then, prove that triangle APB and triangle AQC are similar. Solution. In triangle APB and triangle AQC, angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. Let us mark it as statement 1. Angle AQC is equal to 90 degrees. Let us mark it as statement 2. Hence, angle APB is congruent to angle AQC. From statements 1 and 2. Angle PAB is congruent to angle QAC by AA test. Therefore, triangle APB is similar to triangle AQC by AA test. Example 5. Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect in point Q. If 2QA is equal to QC, 2QB is equal to QD, then prove that DC is equal to 2AB. Given 2QA is equal to QC. Hence, QA upon QC is equal to 1 upon 2. Let's mark it as statement 1. 2QB is equal to QD. Therefore, QB upon QD is equal to 1 upon 2. Let's mark it as statement 2. Therefore, QA upon QC is equal to QB upon QD from statements 1 and 2. In triangle AQB and triangle CQD, QA upon QC is equal to QB upon QD. Proved. Angle AQB is congruent to angle DQC because these are opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AQB is similar to triangle CQD by SAS test of similarity. Therefore, AQ upon CQ is equal to QB upon QD is equal to AB upon CD because the corresponding sides are proportional. But AQ upon CQ is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, AB upon CD is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, 2AB is equal to CD. Let us now solve practice set 1.3. Question number 1. In figure, angle ABC is equal to 75 degrees. Angle EDC is equal to 75 degrees. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also, write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. Solution. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC is equal to 75 degrees and angle EDC is equal to 75 degrees. These angles are equal. Therefore, angle B is congruent to angle D. Therefore, second angle is included by sides which are in proportion and are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle EDC are similar by AA test. Their similarity by a proper one-to-one correspondence is triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Answer. Triangles are similar by AA test and similarity by a proper one-to-one correspondence is triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC, BQ is perpendicular to AC, points BPC and AQC are collinear, then prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. If AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12, then find AC. Solution. In triangle ABC, AP is perpendicular to BC, BQ is perpendicular to AC. Points BPC and AQC are collinear. Therefore, in triangle CPA and triangle CQB, angle C is congruent to angle C. Angle P is congruent to angle Q. Therefore, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test of similarity. Now we have to find AC. Given AP is equal to 7, BQ is equal to 8, BC is equal to 12. Therefore, AP upon BQ is equal to BC upon AC. By using the given values, therefore, 7 upon 8 is equal to 12 upon AC. Therefore, AC is equal to 12 into 7 upon 8. Therefore, AC is equal to 84 upon 8. Therefore, AC is equal to 10.5. Answer. AC is equal to 10.5. Question number 6. In trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect in point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15, then find OD. Solution. Side AB is parallel to side DC. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect in point O. Therefore, OB upon BA is equal to OD upon DC. By putting the given values in equation, therefore, 15 upon 20 is equal to OD upon 6. Therefore, OD is equal to 15 into 6 upon 20 by invertendo. Therefore, OD is equal to 90 upon 20. Therefore, OD is equal to 4.5. Answer: OD is equal to 4.5. Question number 8. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Prove that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. Solution: given AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. To prove triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. Proof: in triangle ABP and triangle CDP, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP because it is given. Angle APB is congruent to angle CPD because these are opposite angles of each other. That is, angle APB is equal to angle CPD. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP by SAS test. Therefore, triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. It is proved. Theorem of